Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome today. In the daily newspaper on the election day. Yes, today is election day. In Holland, in the Netherlands, we on Wednesday, March the 17th, 2021, we have done a binary. So the second Sudoku I will solve is a medium Sudoku. And this one, the second one, because we have three regular Sudokus, also a Sudoku mix. But this one will be a number 2484. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 27. So printed digits 27. If you compare the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 stars in the additional, this will be a 1 star. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see. Which number can I pick? How about how about the 2 in this row, 2 in the second row? So in the third row, the only place for the 2 should be there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2, so no 2 there. We see there 2, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. 2 in the last row, 2 in the row above. So in that row, the only place for the 2 should be here. Alright. Then I cannot continue with the 2. What a pity. How about the number? The 7 in the third column, the 7 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. Now I can continue with the 2. 2 in this column, 2 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place for the 2 should be there. Alright. Now I need to wait for the 2 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those numbers are the 7, the 8, and the 9. And look, we have a 7 and an 8 there, so no 7 and an 8 in this box. The 7 and the 8 goes in those 2 boxes. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 7 and 8. So 1 number left in this big square for the number 9. 2 boxes left in this row. 1, 2, the 3 is missing and the 5 is missing. We see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Alright, 3 in this column, 3 in the second column, so in the third column, the only place for the 3 should be there. And then, in this big square, we have 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 5. We see here 5. So no 5 in these 2 boxes. Here 5. No 5 in those. In that box. So the 5 could be here or could be there. So we have a 5 in one of those 2 boxes in the third column. 5 in the second column. So in the first column. Only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5. No 5 there. 5 should be there. Then 2 numbers left in the first column for the number 6 and 9. 6 and 9. And look, we have a 6 there. So no 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 9 goes there. Alright. 1 number left in this big square for the number 9. Alright. Then. 1 in the third column, 1 in the first column, so the column between the second column. The only place for the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 and the 8, 6 and the 8 are missing. We see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here, and 8 goes there. Now we have an 8 there, so this box can't be 8 anymore. This box should be an 8, and that box should be a 7. Alright. 2 numbers left in the second column. 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5 is missing. No, we have a 5, 5. The 6 and the 8 are missing. 6 and 8. Let me mark those two boxes. 6 and 8. Alright. 4 and 9. Okay. So we have a 5 in this column, 5 in that column, so the column between the middle column. The only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. Okay. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 1 and 4. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. We have a 7 in this column, 7 in that column, so the column between the middle column. The only place for the 7 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 9 and 3. We have a 9, we have a 3 there, so no 3 there. 3 should be there, and the 9 goes there. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in the third row, 9 in the second row. So in the first row, only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. Then 1, 4. Alright. 2 numbers left in this row. The first row, those numbers are the 4 and the 8, 4 and the 8. 4 and the 8, we see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here and the 4 goes there. Alright. What are these 3 missing numbers in this big square? 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7. 6 and the 7. Alright, 5, 6, 7. So we have 5, 6, 7 here. What are those numbers in the second row? 5, 6, 7. These should be the 1 and the 9. 1 and the 9. We have a 9 there. No. We have a 9 here already. The 1 and the 3 are missing. 1 and a 3. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Now we have a 1 here. So this box can't be 1 anymore. This box should be a 1, and this box should be a 4. 1 number left in this column for the number 6. Alright, now we have a 6 there, so this box can't be 6 anymore. This box should be a 6, and that box should be an 8. Alright, 2 numbers left in this big square for the number 6 and 4. We have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Alright, 2 numbers left in the middle column for the numbers 4 and 1. 4 and 1, I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. The other pair in this big square, we have 1 and 4 here, so those 2 numbers should be the 2 and the 8. We have an 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Alright, so we have a 2 in this row, 2 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only 3 places for the 2 should be here, or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, here 2, no 2 there. Only place for the 2 should be there. 3 in this last column, 3 in that column. So the column between, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. Alright, 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing, and the 7 is missing in this column. The 4 and the 7 are missing. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 4 goes and there. Then Now we have a 4 here. So this box can't be 4 anymore. This box should be a 4. And that box should be a 1. Alright. So we have a 1 in this row. 1 in the middle row. So the row below. The only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in that row. So in the row between, the middle row, the only place for the 4 should be there. And I've eliminated the 5, so the 5 goes there. Alright, 1 number left in this big square for the number 9. 1 box left in this row for the number 9. Then 2 boxes left in the middle row for the number 7 and 7 and 2. No, 2 we have here. 7 and 5 are missing. 7 and 5. We have a 7 here, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 5 and 6. Now we have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 6 goes there. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 8 and 6. 8 and 6. We have a 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 6 goes there. Finished in 11 minutes. Alright. Great medium. I like this quick Sudoku medium. 27 printed digits. Alright. On the election day today in the Netherlands. Alright. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a minute with the last regular Sudoku. A Sudoku mix it will be. Prepare, because this one has only 2 given numbers. Bye bye for now.